Kuringana na Matiang'i, mahete kambuni ici nginyagia mweri wa mugwanja makorwo marihite magoti mothe, kwaga uguo makanjirwo marua. Ikinya riri rirongoreirio gutigirira thirikari ni yahota kungania magoti kuma kambuni ici, kuona nyingi ciacio ni ikoretwo igithema guoko gwa thirikari.
I assure you of the government's support to you, as long as you play by the rule, as long as you live by the law. But again, I will be frank, you cannot expect government support when you are involved in money laundering.
Tugithie kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, muingi wa kaunti ino ni utabanirie mururungano nginyagia wabici-ini ya gavana wa kaunti yo Mutahi Kahiga, makionania marakara na matukuya mao thutha wa marihi ma migunda kuongererwo.
Mwigakinya guikara thi muruge ati ni muguka gwika variation na rutionire value wa migunda-ini itu ri okeire ku
gutire mundu utaretio 500 ngakiuria atiriri kari migunda yothe ikiri na thina hau ni thina witu urokira.
Kuringana nao, gutire hindi megwitikira kuriha kuona matina kuruhanio mubango-ini uyu, gavana Kahiga agitikira ni marugire ikinya riri.
No nyende gukiruta muhera ni undu wa gukorwo maundu ma tutiekete public participation uria turagiriire, twambe tumathomithie na tumenye niki, na riu ngwiciria thirikari yakwa tondu irakirio njeru wira-ini, ngwiciria niho irake tugugire.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, thirikari ni ihotorete kuhe arimi a mbembe mihuko kiro 500 ya mbembe, mubango uria wambiriirie umuthi.
We are doing this because we want to sustain our food security situation in this county.
Kitambo tulikuwa tunapata ile ya Kikuyu, lakini haikuwa na mazao mazuri kushinda hii.
Na tugitiriha, gavana wa bengi nene ya guku bururi-ini Patrick Njoroge ni atafanire icera wabici-ini ya gavana wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago niguo kwaririria maundu matiganite ari hamwe na uhuthiri mwega wa kigina kiria kigayagirwo kaunti-ini thirikari nene, kuria oigite macini cia gukungia wara wa mbeca cia maheni ndukinyite bengi-ini cia guku bururi-ini.
Investigators are working on it, as you know, both in terms of finding out who are the others that are involved in this and what is the true source, where is the real source of this counterfeit.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro kuma kundu na kundu, Geto Waithira wa Kihara.